If you want to use your virtual Cash App card for shopping online and at supported stores, we will show you how to order your Cash App card, link it to your account, and use it at stores that accept it. So the first thing that you need to do is order your Cash App card. So open the Cash App and look at the left side panel of your dashboard. Tap Cards. Then customize your card however you'd like. You can change your dollar cash tag, choose a pattern, and select your preferred color. And once you're happy with the design, tap the order card or submit order to complete your request. Remember, after the order is approved, you'll receive access to your virtual Cash App card and your physical card will be mailed to you. Okay? And then once your virtual Cash App card is available, you need to link it to your account or digital wallet before using it for purchases. So I need you to go to the link cards or payment method section, then enter all the required card information if prompted. And of course, you need to follow the on-screen instructions until your card is successfully linked. Okay? And then now that everything is set up, you are ready to shop. So visit any store that accepts Cash App card payments. A helpful tip is to look for the afterpay payment option during checkout, as some merchants use it to support Cash App payments. So for example, one store that I like is Tommy Hilfiger. So for example, we're gonna check out an item, add it to your cart, choose the size. Let's say we're gonna have this, add it to our bag. And then on the checkout page, okay, you will see the available payment methods. If Cash App, you see this, or Afterpay is supported, simply select it and follow the prompt to complete your purchase. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can activate and use your virtual Cash App card at supported stores. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.